Dr. Dave here from Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic, and Physical Therapy in New York City. Today we're going to discuss whether or not it's okay for you to crack your own neck or back. And the answer to that is yes and no. But it's usually an indicator of an underlying problem or fixation in the neck or back. Yes, it's okay to gently stretch your neck and hear a popping sound, as long as you're not using your hands on your head or chin to do so. Same goes with your back. It's okay if you're stretching gently side to side in a twisting motion or flexing and bending backwards. But it's not okay if you grab a wall or a chair and forcibly twist in a forcible motion to hear that popping or cracking noise. Many people express a sense of relief or a release in pressure when they crack their back or their neck. You'll notice you need to keep cracking your neck over and over again throughout the day. It's because you're making the areas above and below that fixated area hypermobile by stretching out ligaments and not addressing the fixated segments. Only chiropractors are equipped to correct subluxations or fixations in the spine. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and check out our other videos on YouTube. Thanks.